Hey guys, welcome back to MCCALL Paint Body YouTube channel. Trying to get this video in before it rains. Next up we have this 69 Camaro SS. As you can tell, it's been restored already many years ago. It's an old restoration. They brought it in here. We're going to do a color change. Just going to do a mild restoration on it. It's going to be a driver. We'll be changing the colors. Clay will do a quick lap around here, showing you what we're working with, and we're going to get this thing back inside out of the rain.